Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove vendor name in Shopify. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand column and you're going to tap on Online Store. Then, once you have selected Online Store, you will be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Customize. After selecting Customize, you will be led to this page right here, and at the top column you will see the option Home Page. You are going to tap on that and you want to select Collections. After selecting Collections, you are going to tap on Default Collection, and that will open up your collection page. Once on the collection page, you are going to tap on Product Grid from the column option in the left hand corner. You are going to select Product Grid. Then you will see the option Show Vendor. You are going to tap on that to untick it. Then you are going to select Save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. That's how to remove vendor name on Shopify. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.